What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. If you saw in my last video, we got a new go-kart, and this one has a cage on it, a seat, like literally everything, the full pedals, full steering, everything we need to get it going, except an engine. But we do have an engine off of the other go-kart, and I'm thinking about switching it to this one, and depending on the condition of this one, I want to actually flip this and just fix it up, get it running, sell it, and then use that money to buy either a really nice project or a couple other projects that I can continue flipping, and then have some cool side ones, like have that one get fixed up and really good. Also, someone mentioned in the comments that they wanted to see a stage 1 mile per hour. Someone mentioned that they wanted to see a comparison between the live axle with a stage 1 kit and without a stage 1 kit, and see the different mile per hour. I think that'd be fun. I will have to look into that because I don't have a Predator engine. That's actually a Briggs & Stratton engine, I believe. I do want to get a Predator. Hopefully, if we end up doing that on that one, I might just get a Predator for this one. But yeah, it's a mess right now, so we need to get it cleaned up. So that's going to be the goal for today, and make a list of things we need. So first, I'm going to strip everything off of this go-kart, like the tires, the seat, the cage, everything that's basically not metal. The seat belts, this one actually has seat belts, and the tires are bad, but I have 4 brand new ones just sitting around from the other go-kart, but I ended up using different tires on that one anyways. But I'm just going to strip everything off and power wash it, and anything that falls off needs to be fixed. Anything that doesn't, great. I don't know if I'll repaint this, but I'm going to power wash it because it is very dirty. So I went ahead and power washed it because there's spiders all over it. I didn't get the last pedal off, but everything else is off. So I'm gonna go through all the parts and see what we need to get, see what we're getting rid of, see what we already have. We have most everything. Like, we have 4 brand new tires that we can use. I don't know if we're gonna use those rims. We might have to switch them to other ones. I'm not sure. And I wanna go through prices of everything that's going on this cart to see if it'd be worth it to flip it, or if we could find a way to make it more worth it, you know what I'm saying? This is in pretty good shape though, and I have a special paint to paint over the rust on the seat that will stop it from corroding, and it's black too, so that'll work right. Alright guys, I'm inside now. I'm looking through go-karts right now on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist because that seems like where they're selling the most. And I'm realizing that some of these are on here for like $50 to $100 and they're in good condition. So I'm thinking about buying a bunch of these, putting a Predator engine on it, wiring everything up, getting everything set up, and then just sell it for $200. But for the go-kart that I have, it seems like really nice ones. There's one for $625. I'm gonna put pictures up here of what they look like, but this one looks a little bit nicer than the one I have. It has overhead lights on it, but we're putting a lot of new stuff onto the one we have. There was another one. Sorry, the camera just died, but yeah, there's one for $625 that comes with overhead lights, like it's on the top of the cage. I'm looking at ones that are very similar to the one I have. There's another one that's exactly the same as that other one, but it doesn't have the lights and other fancy stuff that one has, and it's selling for $600. Again, I don't know if these will sell. I'm assuming they will, or they will sell around $500 or $550, whatever someone ends up offering them, because everything's going to be worth what people will pay for in the end. There's another one that's a youth go-kart that does have a cage, and it's a very similar design, that is $425. And we are going to have a lot of new parts, so we're going to be able to mention that it's refurbished, but right now we spent $100 for the actual cart with everything that came with it, just 100 flat, and then I spent $200 on the engine that I have. I think I spent $200 because I looked that one up recently and it's $150, but a Predator engine's only $100. So if I were to keep my engine and put a Predator on that one, it'd be easier to break a profit. And also, if I were to buy or any other parts that I have on the other one that have been bought, I would have to factor those in. Like if I were to put the clutch, the sprocket, the chain, that's probably another $50 right there. But if we were to sell with 300 flat, the $300 that we spent on the other cart, and switch all that over without putting anything else, we could probably sell it for $400 or $450, and that would be $100 and or $150 profit to go towards the next cart. But we're really going to see, because everything's based on what people will actually pay for the cart, and I might list it at $500 and then just take offers. But I will continue to work on it and let you and update you guys and see if I can get some more go-karts and more engines and stuff like that. Also, I'm going to a friend's house soon because his dad has a lot of old four-wheeler and lawnmower parts to see what he has. Because I was thinking about putting bigger back tires on this one because it's more of an off-road go-kart. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one when we swap everything over to the new go-kart.